Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today's video is going to be something that happened today. I received an email. At first I thought, I don't know, it doesn't quite seem like a real buyer, but I'll give the information they want and leave it at that. So I'm going to take you step by step of each letter and response to let you know that it really was a scam artist. It was not a real potential buyer. I'll point out the red flags and how I knew that it was a scam artist. And this was not my first one. That's why I recognized the contents of the email. Here's the email. I'm reaching out because I'm interested in purchasing one of your artworks. I'm thinking, okay, great. But the next piece of the sentence is kind of odd language to commemorate my 20th marriage anniversary. So I'm already saying, okay, it's probably fake. Then she continues, I would appreciate if you would kindly send me pictures of the pieces you have available for immediate sale. I thought, what odd language again. I plan to make the payment with a check. Red flag right there. I should have deleted it, but I didn't. She signs off by saying thank you and I look forward to your response. Sincerely, Mary. Okay, when she gave her last name, first of all, in this portion of the email, I thought that's kind of odd. Most people don't do that unless they're calling from a corporation or an organization. I respond with, Hi, Mary. Here's everything you need. And I gave her the link to my original paintings that are currently available. On there, it has a price list, the dimensions, everything she needs to know. Here comes the fun part. She writes back, Thank you for the message. Wow, I must tell you, I intend to give my husband a surprise with the immediate purchase of the piece. And she titles it the wrong name. Breezing up, she gives the dimensions and the price. And I wrote in parentheses, wrong name. I don't own a piece like that, so I know instantly it's wrong. Okay, she continues, I love it. Now, as a therapist, I'm looking for what she's kind of doing to sell me. So she's trying to engage me emotionally, to hook me, to get me excited, like, oh, I'm going to make some money. Somebody likes my art. So that's not the case. She's trying to give me a sense of urgency. If you'd like to know, I'm relocating to the Philippines soon, and our wedding anniversary is fast approaching, and I'm thinking it's too much information. So I'm trying to gather some good stuff to make the event a surprise. All right, she continues, kindly email the asking price ASAP. I had already given it to her. She has everything. She even quoted it above. She knows. All right, she goes on. As regarding payment, here's the red flag. I would like to inform you that my husband handles the family credit card bank payment transactions. She's over explaining. Anytime people do that, it's trouble. They're trying to distract you and make you feel sorry for this person who doesn't have any power in the family. So I would authorize a check to you for the payment as soon as I have your full name and contact information or contact address. She's trying to get information from me, personal information, and that's really making me uncomfortable. No buyer would ever ask you that. Also, as soon as I receive the check and it clears my bank, now that is classic hallmark scam artist language. She continues, my shipping agent, who is also moving my personal effects, she goes on and on and on. You can read it on the screen, but she's trying to give me the sense of urgency, to emotionally engage me, to throw me off the track, to excite me that somebody wants my art. So then she writes back, finishes with, I will be waiting for your response so I can write out a check immediately. Thank you and talk to you soon. She corrects her mistake. I mean, the Greenhouse Mischief original painting. She quotes surprise, not, and she puts the one there. Thanks. At this point, I've decided I'm not going to bother engaging. It's a real scam artist, and I'm not going to waste my time. Hopefully, this will help you recognize real buyers from potential scam artists.